Hey friends, if you wish to fix blue or red tint on your monitor, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Before we proceed further, I want you to know one thing. If the question would have been yellow tint, then I would have checked for night light as many others have suggested. But since it is mentioning blue tint or red tint, both are not possible in the case of the night light. So here's what we will do. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters and right click and update both the display adapters. Okay, and then after this is done, you can right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select display. You can change the scale to recommended and the display resolution to recommended as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.